We've got 20 minutes before the sun goes down, and we've got to clean up dinner that I just made. So we're excited that you're here. I'm feeling a little more energetic in this video. The last video I just filmed, I was not because I was starving. So now I feel like I've got energy. So that's fun. Anyways, I'm gonna clean up dinner, feed Blue. Then we've got to play with him. Okay, we'll go from there. So. Where did I put the top to the butane, Blue? Oh, it's right here. Let's leave the butane outside for the night so we don't get carbon monoxide poisoning. There you go. Cool. So. Pop up. All right, Blue. Get back. Go. Get back. All right. I know. Here's some alkaline water, Blue. All right, I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. Are you defective? Ah! No, you're not. I always am looking right at it. Welcome everybody to a night in the car with Blue and I. Oh, first thing, lock ourselves in. Because you're not gonna get us outside world. We're safe. I don't think I have a bone for you tonight, Blue. Sorry, bud. Blue's literally gonna crash probably in like 10 minutes. Like he's gonna calm down, and then he passes out like always after fetch. Like he just takes a nap immediately, which is why I like to do that before we climb into the car because he's kind of worn out. So typically at this time of night, before really anything, I just edit because I've gotta stay up to date on stuff. So I'm gonna get a couple of editing hours in. Sometimes this is also a point where I charge all of my devices, but they're all pretty good right now. Come here, camera, give me your memory card. Blue! Good morning, computer. Oh my gosh, I'm tired already, Blue. I'm not joking right now. I literally just spent over 2 hours editing a video and I was almost done. And then I was doing something else and I X'd out and it said save changes and I thought it was talking about the other tab I had open and I hit no and I literally, oh my gosh, just screwed myself on 2 hours of editing. I just edited for 2 hours for nothing because it didn't save. Recovery folder? Where's the recovery folder? Shut up. Stop. Stop. I'm gonna cry. Wait, am I fat? I'm on Google trying to figure it out. Premiere Pro autosave. I just found a Premiere Pro autosave document. Does that mean that you have my thing? Stop. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Google. I just recovered it. That was almost a disaster. Oh my gosh. Note to everybody out there working in Premiere. Turn on your autosaves because apparently it stores autosaved files on your computer and you can pull it back up. So I only lost like 5 minutes. Good mood restored. You know, everybody was freaking out there for a second. We figured it out. That's actually really good to know because that was stressful for a minute there. Okay. I'm gonna go back to editing. So I've got at least another like hour or so. So I'll check back in. Phew. Close call. Okay. I shall give you back your memory card, Sony. It's 12:30 and I'm surprised I'm so tired because I've been staying up till 3 editing like every night. So that's my schedule, but I'm like crashing right now. So, yeah. I shall get ready for bed. I am a self-proclaimed night owl, but that is not what's going on today. I have to put my shoes on. Why? Alright, come on, bub. Go potty. Rue, shut up. Good boy, Bubby. Let me lock us back in. Alright, come on. Alright, lay down, bub. Down. Aww. You know you have all of this room back here, right? No, you just want to be in a little cocoon? That doesn't look comfortable. Are you comfortable? Alright, I'll let you take your own journey, Bubby. I'm not trying to pre-decide what you do. You do have free will, after all. I just feel like it's not comfy. What? Are you wanting to come up here? Well, I'll take that as a yes. Well, come on. Come on, then. Alright. Bubby said, this is my platform. Even though you have so much more room down there, Blue. Ooh, I hope I didn't just break that because that's my cooking light. Just trying to get it out of your face, bub. Your water's up there if you need it, you know. When I first made this platform, or rather when my brother first made this platform. I really thought it was only going to be able to fit me, but Blue fits pretty well up here too. Don't ya? Are you ready to go to sleep, Bubby? Well, it should be a pretty easy night, seeing as the lowest it's going to get tonight is 41, which is the warmest night we've had camping so far. So it should be pretty chill. But yeah, this is a typical night on the road. Like, as soon as it gets dark, or like if we don't have a campfire to sit around and I don't feel like just walking in the dark, we come in here and I'll edit for a few hours. Usually I have like bones and stuff for Blue, but we're out, so I guess we should go get some more tomorrow. But like, I'll keep him preoccupied that way too, if he does still feel like being busy. We'll check in the morning. Oh. That's Blue's way of saying we're going to bed. Morning! What you doing, bub? Oh, alright. It's time to get up. Bubby, I'm tired. Ugh. Alright, I'll get up. I'll get up. Come on. Oh, I'm so tired. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. Bye!